Wind power is the future. As a dominant renewable energy source, it's crucial for combating climate change. And in wind power, bigger is better. Taller turbines reach stronger and steadier winds, generating more energy at lower cost. However, the tall towers required to reach those heights has reached literally the end of the road. They are a nightmare to transport. And the high emissions from their production sort of undermines the very goal of scaling up renewable energy. That's where Modvion comes in. We build wind turbine towers. We develop them, we design them, certify them, and build them. And we do it in wood. This is the inside of our first commercial installation. We call it Wind of Change, like the 80s songs. Now, it might sound counterintuitive to replace a large amount of steel and concrete with wood. But the magic sauce is called LVL, laminated vinyl lumbers. Thin layers of wood compressed together with fibers in optimal directions, creating enormous strength. You can source our material locally. We outperform steel in terms of strength to weight ratio and make it more cost efficient to build these kind of structures. Also, it's a sustainable solution. Our wood in the towers store more CO2 than is emitted during production, installation, and transportation of these towers, making it a carbon negative tower, reducing the CO2 footprint for the wind power industry for a wind farm park of approximately 30%. Our towers can be transported on regular trucks on standard roads, making tall towers possible in any location, so we widely expand the sites available for clean wind power energy. We assemble them on site into these tubular cylinders. We stack them on top of each other to form towers. In just 8 years, we've gone from idea to reality. First, we completed a 30-meter prototype that's been withstanding the harsh winter environments of the archipelago of Sweden for 5 years now. Last year, we broke the world record. We built a 105-meter high wooden tower with a Vestas turbine on top. It's now run by a utility company in this wind farm park that you see in front of us. Unfortunately, you cannot see which one of these are made out of wood, but it's the one to the right. And as I'm speaking, it's generating energy for homes and businesses in Sweden. But we do not stop there. We have completed a 6-megawatt tower design for the largest onshore turbines. We're talking hub heights up to 200-meter height. It consists of wooden sections assembled on site, and we have a steel interface to the top and the bottom to make it a plug-and-play product in the industry. It's all certified and third-party assessed to make sure that everything is okay for the wind turbine manufacturers to integrate it in their delivery. We're not just building towers, we're building a relationship with industry giants. Vestas, as the world's leading wind turbine manufacturer, joined our ranks 5 years ago, and we are now working together to implement our tower products into their catalog. But we're also in dialogue with all the other OEMs, the Western OEMs, deliver turbines to the utility companies. And we are talking with all the utility companies in the Nordics and in Europe that are now starting to demand wooden towers for their future parks. We're also backed by the wood industry and the wind energy supply chain. Because wind power is part of our future, we need it for the green transition. But to get there, we need to rethink how we build. Right now, steel and concrete are weighing us down. The challenging transportation stops exploration of wind power, and it becomes costly, and it also brings a lot of CO2 emissions. Modvion is building a better way, and we do it in wood. A renewable, sustainable material that enables us to overcome all the challenges of today. We've proven it, we built it, and we're backed by some of the world's biggest turbine manufacturers and utility companies. So picture this future. Tall, sustainable wind turbine towers, reaching stronger, steadier wings, making wind energy possible to scale faster, generating more energy for our planet, all while leaving a smaller footprint. That's how we picture the future of wind power in Modvion. It's built out of wood. Thank you.